Are you wondering if it's possible to cook a one-pot meal in an air fryer? This creamy chicken pesto pasta says yes. Start by prepping the base. Grab about 250 grams of chicken breast and cut it into small, bite-sized cubes. This recipe is quick and versatile, so don't worry about perfection. Add chicken into a mixing bowl, then add pinch of salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Give it a quick toss until everything's nicely coated. When it's done, let's add chicken into the air fryer basket and spread the chicken out evenly in a single layer. If you like a little extra crisp, give it a light spray of olive oil on top. Set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 10 minutes. Around 5 minutes. Open the basket and give it a quick flip or stir so it browns evenly. Once the chicken is done, take the basket out and carefully remove the rack if you're using one. Take about 2/3 cup or about 150 grams of cream cheese and place it right in the middle of the basket. Then, return the cooked chicken and just place next to the cheese. Grab some cherry tomatoes. Pick the brightest ones you've got. Give them a quick rinse, and if they're on the larger side, go ahead and slice them in half. Add those also somewhere next to the cheese. Now for the greens, a small handful of spinach. In the end, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning for that warm, herby background. Pop the basket back into the air fryer and set it again to 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 8 minutes. While that's cooking, go ahead and boil your favorite pasta. Whatever shape you like. Just make sure it's ready when the timer ends. Once the baking is done, pull out the basket and let's do a final part. The cream cheese should be melty, the tomatoes soft, and the chicken nice and juicy. Now add in 2 tablespoons of pesto. You can use store-bought or homemade. Gently stir everything together right in the basket. It'll look messy for a second, but trust the process. It all comes together. Now add your cooked pasta and give it a good final toss. You want everything coated in that creamy, herby sauce. And now, final part, cheese. Grate a little Gouda or Parmesan over the top. So, what would you add to your version? Maybe some chili flakes for heat or some garlic? Let us know in the comments. We always read your ideas and love adding them to future recipes. Give this video a like if your kitchen smells amazing. Subscribe for more easy and cozy recipes. And we'll see you in the next one.